Jai Bharat to all. As you can see, this one is Lal Kila, that is Red Fort, situated in New Delhi, जो हमारे इंडिया की शान है. So today we will discuss about the forts of India, that is chapter number 3. So let us begin it. We all know that India is the land of forts. Indian rulers were well known for building grand forts which have high level of engineering and architecture. Indian forts were built as a defense mechanism to keep enemy away. State of Rajasthan is home to numerous forts and palaces. You might have seen or you might have visited Rajasthan. At that time definitely you have seen different kinds of forts that we are going to discuss over here. Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh are also not far behind. The notable feature of each fort is the carving work and has survived till date and receives appreciation. Before we start, let us discuss word gallery. The first is amidst, that means among or between. Then stretches, that means wider or longer. Then tawny, that means orange or orange brown color or yellowish brown color. Splendid means very impressive or excellent. Intricate means very complicated or complex. And reign means rule, govern or royal offices. Now let us start with the first fort of India, that is Bhatner Fort. This Bhatner Fort is considered to be the oldest fort in Rajasthan. It is situated at Hanumangarh, that is situated in between Jaipur and Bikaner. It is built by Maharaja Bhupat in 295 AD. The old name of this Hanumangarh was Bhatner, means fortress of Bhatti Rajput. This Hanumangarh is named so on Hanuman, that is the Hindu god. So it is also known as the fort of Hanuman. Now the second fort is Jaisalmer Fort. This Jaisalmer Fort is second oldest fort in Rajasthan. It is one of the largest desert fort in the world that is situated in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. The fort stands proudly amidst the golden stretches of the Great Thar Desert on the Trikuta Hills. Its massive yellow sandstone walls turn into a tawny lion color during the day, fading to honey gold as the sun sets. It means टोनी का मतलब क्या हमने देखा था, दैट इज ऑरेंज ब्राउन और येलोइश ब्राउन. तो ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम उसका कलर येलोइश ब्राउन जैसा आपको दिखेगा, जैसा आपको इमेज में दिख रहा है. और जैसे ही सनसेट होना स्टार्ट होगा तो उसका कलर फेड होके बन जाएगा हनी गोल्ड कलर. दैट इज वाई इट इज नोन एज गोल्डन फोर्ट और यू कैन से सुनहरा फोर्ट. It was built in 1156 CE by a Bhatti Rajput ruler, that is Raja Raval Jaisal. It is one of the very few living forts in the world. About 1/4 of city's population is residing over there. Next fort is Amber Fort. This Amber Fort is built in 1592 CE, that is located 11 kilometers from Jaipur, Rajasthan. The most splendid मतलब excellent sight of this fort is the Hall of Mirrors. When royalty lived here at that time, they would light a single candle at night and due to many tiny intricate mirrors मतलब छोटे छोटे कॉम्प्लेक्स मिरर उन्होंने अलग अलग एंगल्स पे फिट किए थे, जिसकी वजह से थ्रू रिफ्लेक्शन द एंटायर हॉल वुड लाइट अप. इट वॉज बिल्ट ड्यूरिंग द रेन ऑफ राजा मानसिंह. दिस Amber Fort represents the fascinating blend of Hindu and Muslim architecture. Next fort that we are going to discuss is Red Fort. In general, we say that Lal Killa. It is built by Shah Jahan on the bank of river Yamuna. The Red Fort, a 17th century fort, is situated in the walled city of Old Delhi. This was the palace for Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan's new capital, that is Shahjahanabad, the 7th city in Delhi site. It was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2007. It was built by Shah Jahan in 1648 CE. The beautiful Kohinoor diamond adorned the royal throne of Shah Jahan, kept in the Diwan-e Khas of the Red Fort. The precious stone was later taken away by Nadir Shah and today is a part of the Royal Crown Collection of England. Next fort is Mehrangarh Fort. This Mehrangarh Fort is located in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Is one of the largest fort in India. It is located at the center of the city. It comprises some of the most beautiful and historic structures like Moti Mahal, Phool Mahal and Sheesh Mahal. Entry to the fort is gained through two main gates, that is northeast and southwest. In 1459, the foundation of this fort was laid by Rao Jodha. Next fort to be discussed is Agra Fort. You might have visited. This Agra Fort is located near the Taj Mahal. It is one of the most important forts built by the great Mughals. The Khas Mahal inside the fort is a white marble palace and is one of the best examples of paintings on marble. Agra Fort was originally known as Badalgarh Fort. It was built with red stones by Akbar. It contains impressive structure like Jahangir Mahal, Khas Mahal, Diwan-e Khas, Diwan-e Am, Machhar Bhavan and Moti Masjid. Next fort is Purana Killa. This Purana Killa is known as Old Fort, built by Humayun and Sher Shah. So these walls of Purana Killa have three gates, that is Humayun Darwaza, Talaki Darwaza and Bara Darwaza. These gates are surrounded by a moat which was fed by river Yamuna. This Purana Killa is situated on the bank of river Yamuna where Humayun built his capital Dinapana. The founder of the Suri dynasty, Sher Shah Suri, named it Shergarh. The fort was supposed to be unlucky for people who occupied it. Today, it is the venue of the light and sound shows that presents the history of the ancient 7 cities of Delhi from the Indraprastha to New Delhi. Next fort is Jaigarh Fort. This is built by Jai Singh II. It is known as Victory Fort of Rajasthan and located on promontory called Chilka Tila, that is Hills of Eagles of the Aravalli range in Jaipur. The next fort is Golconda Fort. This Golconda Fort is located in Telangana, Hyderabad. It is well known for the diamonds like Kohinoor and many more. It is built by Kakatiya dynasty which later fell into the hands of one of the famous Mughal king Aurangzeb. It is famous for its acoustic effect. Now, what is acoustic effect? Let's see it. Acoustic effect means if you will clap at Fateh Darwaza, that is entrance of this fort, can be heard clearly at Bala Hizar. That is the highest point situated about 1 kilometer away from the bottom through the reverberation. Reverberation का मतलब क्या है? तो that is repetition of echo. That is known as reverberation. So reverberation through अगर आप नीचे entrance से clap करोगे तो आपको ऊपर बालाहिजार तक उसकी आवाज़ सुनाई देगी. एंड दिस इज फॉर द डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म दैट इज यूज्ड बाय द एम्परर ऑफ दैट फोर्ट. These are few examples of forts in India. There are many more forts are also there in India. Now it's time for quiz. Let us start it. First question is, it was built by Jai Singh II in 1726. It is also known as the Victory Fort of Rajasthan. तो आंसर क्या होगा इसका? जयगढ़ फोर्ट. Second is, this fort is famous for its acoustic effect. तो उसमें आंसर क्या आएगा? गोलकोंडा फोर्ट. Understood? Please mention each and every answer in the respective blank with pencil only. पेंसिल से ही आपको आंसर लिखना है. अगर वो क्विज का है या फिर इन बिटवीन चैप्टर में जो भी आंसर लिखने हैं वो भी आपको पेंसिल से ही लिखने हैं, याद रखना. I hope you understood this lesson. So stay safe and healthy, and along with that keep learning also. Thank you very much.